Angle between position vector and x-axis is called direction or angle between two points. Angle between 22 and x. So simply you remember
Okay, is my voice clear to you? All of you. Is my voice clear to you? Okay, thank you for confirmation. Now, as we made a plan that today we will have question and answer session of topic 1 and topic 2 or unit 1 and unit 2. In this class, I will ask some questions, some students, to know how far you are going through the given material. Okay, from the point of view, I would like to ask some questions so that you can have your material with you. Okay, thank you for confirmation that my voice is clear to you all. Okay, now everybody get the access to answer to my questions or to have interaction with me and with others. Is my to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very. Now I will pick up one students or the other students. I ask you a question now. Then you can respond. Okay, is the screen clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, Abdul Rahman, can you please tell me that how many units we discussed so far? Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, ECE rule number 40 or 40. Abdul Rahman.
This is my wife. So unit 1. Yes, sir. Unit 1 and unit 2.
Very good.
Topics are
How
made for
many-
English classroom.
Oh, just wait. How many topics are there in unit 1? How many topics are there? I am not asking.
Three.
Okay, very good. Your turn is over. Next. Anoop, triple E, rule number 38. Anoop,
मैं क्या कर रही हूँ?
is there Anoop?
फ्री फायर डाउन करता है तुम्हारे फोन में
Rule number
मैं क्या
38.
उधर लेगा
उतार दे, खराब कर
Anoop.
दूंगा।
अनु का ते गिन्नू का दे
Is there Anoop? Okay. Next.
मैं
Now next one is Shravani, triple E, rule number 16.
खराब वाला चार्जर कहाँ है?
Shravani. Is my voice clear to you, Shravani?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me how many lessons are there in unit 2? How many lessons are there in unit 2?
Describing words.
How many lessons? I am not asking to tell those lessons title. How many lessons are there in unit 2?
हो गया ये है मेरे एक तो बुक
How many lessons are there in unit 2?
6 लेसन
So, 3.
Now can you list out those 3 lessons which cover under unit 2?
Describing words.
Okay, very good.
वेट पर
Degree of comparison.
Very good.
Rules for changing the degree of comparison.
Unit 2.
So,
is meant
kinds of
for-
adjective. Kinds of adjective.
Okay. Here in unit 2 only we have one topic, that is describing words. Okay. They are not 3 topics, only we have one topic, that is describing words. In describing words we can discuss various things. For example, knowing about the describing words and about adjectives, kinds of adjectives, degree of comparison and etc. But coming to the unit 2, only there is one topic. The title of the
Describing
topic
words.
is describing words. Okay, today we will have this interaction session up to 10:30 am. Okay, because of some other work only, we can stop it at 10:30. Okay. Now, I would like to ask a question. Shiva, rule number 15 ECE. Shiva,
शिवा
yes sir
is my voice clear to you?
yes sir
Very good.
yes sir
Okay. Can you define what is an adjective? Oh, can you define what is describing words? నీ దగ్గర బుక్ ఉంటే బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేసి కూడా చెప్పచ్చమ్మా. నేను స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ ఇచ్చాను, తర్వాత మీకు బుక్స్ లో ఫేర్ నోట్స్ కూడా రాయమన్నాను. వాట్ డూ యూ మీన్ బై డిస్క్రైబింగ్ వర్డ్స్? కెన్ యూ డిఫైన్ ఇట్?
to describe a noun
Okay.
sir can I give an example
Okay.
Ramu is a tall boy tall is an adjective
So we can say like that. Describing words are the words which can describe the noun. Noun, it includes the name of a person, name of a thing, name of object, and etc. Similarly, if any word which can describe a person, an object, a thing, an occasion, or a situation, that word we can say that it is a describing word. Very good.
सुबह से माथे खा रहे देख ले फिर काम हल्को काम करते थे
ये तो बाहर डालो ये अंदर कैसे हुई है ये भी बाहर डालो हमारा काम तुम करो
Akash, rule number 4, ECE. Akash. Is there Akash, rule number 4, ECE?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, can you tell me some of the classroom expressions used by the students? Can you tell me some of the expressions or the dialogues that are used by the student in the classroom? When we discussed the topic classroom English, the first thing we discussed expressions used by the teacher, expressions used by the students, and I have distinguished between them. So from that point of view, can you tell me some of the dialogues or expression used by the student in the classroom? చెప్పగలుగుతావా అమ్మా? Hello?
Hello, hello.
If you maintain a fair notes and if you go oftenly at least to know what is what, certainly I hope that you would answer.
क्या करे चार्जिंग
Okay. That one goes to another one.
चार्जिंग क्या होता है ना माइक को दिया मुझे उसको अलग ही बोल देते मैं यार है तो लेता रहता फोन रोज के समय लेता है फोन
B. Shravani, rule number 16 triple E. B. Shravani.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you please tell me some of the dialogues used by the teacher or some of the expressions used by the students in the class?
सोनू है तो फ्री फायर खेलेंगे बोलता है लगाता है फोन क्या लगाना मैं नहीं खेलता हूँ भाई बोलना
You can open your
Expressions by a teacher. Copy this in your book.
but dialogues or the language used in whatever manner we can think that is correct.
क्या करे
Copy this in your books. You can start now. Go back to your place.
कहने होता है चार्जिंग
Okay.
First listen, then repeat.
Okay.
You can do that.
Okay.
Open your book at page 10.
Okay.
Who knows the answer?
Okay.
सबसे बोलता हूँ
Say it after me.
तेरा काम तो कर ले मेरा
Okay.
हाँ सब कर ले
I think it is your turn now.
तेरा काम क्या है
Raise your hand.
तो बोलता हूँ
Okay.
Expressions by a student.
Okay.
माफ हो आपको
May I go to meet the principal?
आपको
Please check my notes. Please explain it again. Could you please clarify my doubts? Can you please extend the deadline for submission? Yes, we completed taking the notes.
Very good. Now I am going to ask a question from the first unit. The topic is making request. So students, you can turn that page of your notes. Now the next turn, let us see that who will get the wonderful chance. Jiberia Bhanu, ECE rule number 1.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now it is your turn from the topic making request. Now can you please tell me what are the modal verbs that we can use for making request?
shall will
Will, can, would, could.
must should
Will, can, would, could.
भाई
Okay.
चलाते हैं
Now from the same topic the turn goes to another student.
तेरा काम तो कर ले
Now Archana rule number from triple E rule number 89 rule number enamma Archana. Is my voice
Yes,
clear
sir.
to you? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. As your friend said, we can use some modal verbs for
shall
making request.
will can
Those modal verbs are can, could, will, would. Yes or no? Which is the modal
Yes, sir.
verb is used to indicate highest degree of politeness.
would
ఈ 4 వర్డ్స్ లో హైయెస్ట్ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ పొలైట్నెస్ చూపెట్టడానికి తెలియచేయడానికి ఏ మోడల్ వర్బ్ మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం? కెన్ యూజ్ చేస్తామా, విల్ యూజ్ చేస్తామా,
would
వుడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తామా, కుడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తామా? విచ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ టు ఇండికేట్ the highest degree of politeness while making request? Can you identify
Good,
from
sir.
these options? What is your answer?
Good.
Yes. Can you make a
Could.
sentence? Can you make a sentence by using could to know
Yes,
how
please.
we can make a request by using could?
Okay, sir.
Can you make a sentence? Okay, sentence frame చేయమ్మా చూద్దాం.
Just wait, sir.
Okay. You can open your book. You can go through that. When you open your book, it will be a repetition for you also. I feel very proud to have book with you if you go through that.
Could you please cancel my railway ticket?
Okay, very good. Now the turn goes to Sai Krishna Triple E rule number 10. Sai Krishna Triple E
Yes, sir.
rule number 10. Very good. Okay. Now the turn is yours. What is the meaning of delightful? This is the question from the topic expressing feelings. When we want to express our feelings, we can express our feelings in different way. The feelings are of different, happy, sad, and etc. Yes or no?
Sir,
Of
please
them,
greatly.
no, I am asking that what is the meaning of delight or delightful? For example, a
Please
question may
take
come. No, first tell me the meaning. Delightful అంటే అర్థం ఏంటిది? Delightful. మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ లో క్వశ్చన్ అడగచ్చమ్మా. ఏంటిది? Anger, jealousy, delightful, horror. Take these words, write a situation. If these words are given to write a situation, first we have to know the meaning of those things. Anger, to become red, or horror, to have full of fear, and jealousy, unable to bear.
Charming.
Delightful, what is the meaning of delightful?
Charming.
Okay, it may be correct. Can you make it so clear still? Simple word, delightful means very happy. Extremely happy. If you are very happy, instead of saying very happy, we can also use another word as a synonym, that is delightful. Okay? So,
Okay, sir.
delightful means very happy. Okay, like that. Next. Now, Rohit, ECE rule number 20.
I don't know.
Is my voice clear to you? Rohit, ECE rule number 20.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, I will give a question from expressing feelings. Okay. I give one word. I can ask you to how we can express our feeling by using that word. For that, I can give a word, worry. WORRY, worry. By using this word worry, how you can express your feelings? Regarding to worry, I gave one situation, one feelings also how we can express by using that word worry. This is the question from the topic expressing feeling, unit 1. Now you can go through that and you can identify where that word worry is used. Okay, can you see that? The given example how the word worry is used. చూడన్నా చెప్పగలుగుతావా? వరి, WORRY, వరి. Or can any one of you tell me that?
Shall I say, sir? Excuse me, sir.
Yes, you can.
Excuse me. When my younger brother did not return home till 9 p.m., I was worried a lot.
Yeah, very good. Now, the turn goes to another one from the topic need for English. From the topic need for English, let us see who will get this opportunity. Shashank, rule number 33, triple E. Shashank. Is my voice clear to you? Shashank. Shashank. Is my voice clear to you? Okay. Now the turn goes to Keshavulu, ECE, rule number 16.
Sir.
Okay, very
Sir.
good, Nana. I will ask a simple question. Can you tell me the situation where English language is used? English ఎక్కడెక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తారో కొన్ని ప్లేసెస్ కొన్ని సిచ్యువేషన్స్ చెప్తావా నాన్న?
countries.
Sir. Sir, in class.
English language
In
is
class.
used.
When we attend the job in foreign, in out
Okay.
other countries, in classroom,
Very good.
sir.
Next,
In business,
administration, court.
sir. Court,
Next, universities.
Interview.
The companies,
interviews,
interviews,
एक बुता
etc. And in marketing field,
media.
business, in media, newspaper, mass media, entertainment, and etc. Many
Other countries.
places, yes, many places, this English language nowadays is used. Good. Now,
thank you.
Manoj Kumar, triple E, rule number 7. Manoj Kumar, triple E, rule number 7. Is my voice clear to you? Is my voice clear to you, Manoj Kumar?
yes sir, clear.
Okay. చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను. Okay, what are the problems that are faced by the students in learning English? ఇప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకోవడంలో విద్యార్థులకు ఉన్నటువంటి సమస్యలు ఏంటిది? మీకు ఇచ్చానమ్మా, క్లియర్ గా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇచ్చాను. వాట్ ఆర్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ ఫేస్డ్ బై ద స్టూడెంట్స్ లెర్నింగ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్? చూడమ్మా, మీకు ఇచ్చాను, టైటిల్స్ చెప్పండి. 4-5 ఇచ్చాను నేను. సిచ్యువేషన్స్ ఆర్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ దట్ ఆర్ ఫేస్డ్ బై ద స్టూడెంట్స్ లెర్నింగ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్.
Sir, in business,
ఓకే,
in education,
ఓకే,
and for getting job,
ఓకే,
and in international relationship.
ఓకే. దీస్ ఆర్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ వేర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఈజ్ యూస్డ్. నువ్వు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పావు, అది కరెక్టే. కానీ ఆన్సర్ దేనికి, ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ కరెక్ట్ అంటే ఏ ప్రదేశాలలో ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ యూజ్ చేస్తారని. ఇక్కడ మన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటిదంటే నాన్న, వాట్ ఆర్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ దట్ ఆర్ ఫేస్డ్ బై ద స్టూడెంట్స్ లెర్నింగ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్. ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ నేర్చుకోవడంలో మనకు ఉన్నటువంటి సమస్యలు ఏంటిది? గ్రామర్, వొకాబులరీ, ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద
Fear of speaking. Fear of speaking.
Grammar.
ఒకవేళ వెరీ గుడ్ అమ్మ. మనకి ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఇలా క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు, ఎస్, మనకి ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఇలా క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం రియల్ లైఫ్ అప్లికేబిలిటీ చూడాలి. సో రియల్ లైఫ్ లో మనకు ఈ లాంగ్వేజ్ మాట్లాడాలంటే మనకి ఏంటి, ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది, అవునా? గ్రామర్ మనకు రాదు కాబట్టి ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది. ఫియర్ ఆఫ్ స్పీకింగ్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఇట్లా మన జనరల్ గా ఆలోచించి సైడ్ హెడింగ్స్ పెట్టి రాసినా కానీ కూడా కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అమ్మా. అయితే ఇంకొక విషయం అమ్మా, మీకు ఎగ్జామ్స్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుందో మీ హెచ్ఓడి అని చెప్పారన్నా?
No, sir.
అయితే ఒకటి మాకు వచ్చినటువంటి అఫీషియల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏంటిది అంటే, మీకు ఎప్పుడైతే ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసులు స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయో అప్పుడే మిడ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటాయని చెప్పి మాకు ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వచ్చింది నాన్న. కాబట్టి దాని గురించి వాళ్ళు ఇంకెటువంటి నిర్ణయం తీసుకుంటారో వీఆర్ నాట్ షూర్ అబౌట్ దట్. సో ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏంటిది అంటే, ఫ్రమ్ బోర్డు దగ్గర నుంచి ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ఎప్పుడైతే స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయో అప్పుడే మేము పెడతామని వాళ్ళు అనుకున్నారు. మరి ఫస్ట్ మిడ్, సెకండ్ మిడ్ ఒకేసారి పెడతారా, లేకుంటే బోర్డు వాళ్ళు ఇంకా వేరే నిర్ణయం తీసుకొని కండక్ట్ చేస్తారని మనం ఎదురు చూద్దాము. బట్ ఫ్రమ్ మండే ఆన్వర్డ్స్ వీ కెన్ గో ఫర్ డిస్కసింగ్ థర్డ్ యూనిట్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ యూనిట్. Third unit, fourth unit, these 2 units are meant for syllabus of second unit. Okay.
उसको काम हुआ सर, है तो वो
Now.
पाला है